So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So we know that today the stock has given very good movement and you can see currently it is trading near 45 rupees level and you can see time is almost 3:18 and you can see the stock is showing almost 14 to 15% positive movement. So what are the major reasons for the stock movement? So that also we'll try to find out. And we know that previously also we have discussed about Subex on a regular basis starting from the quarter results and also regarding artificial intelligence platform and also ESOPs which the company has declared recently. So on a regular basis I have kept updated about this particular stock and also the technicals as usually it is following that and it is hitting all the targets. So in Telegram also I am updating everything so that whenever any stock is present at any particular level, whether it may be for swing trade or it may be for long term, I am updating there as well. So definitely you can join the Telegram group so that you will be getting some additional knowledge and also some good profit for short term. So link I'll provide in the description and also you can directly go to the Telegram and type stocks diary so that you can join by that means also. Okay, so quickly let's discuss about Subex and we'll see what would be the immediate targets, and also subscribe the channel so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so let's start our discussion with deliverable quantities. So today we have seen very good deliveries and it has increased on a regular basis as compared to past 3 to 4 trading sessions. So if you see from April 8th, April 7th, so you can see that time 34 to 35% deliveries have been taken and you can see stock movement also it has given almost 6% movement. So today you can take roughly 14 to 15% and 2 days back you can take 6%. So total 20% have already been given on just a span of 2 days. Okay, so now the question arises why today it has given that particular movement. So from morning we have seen the market was little volatile, so the stock was also positive with only 3 to 4%, but suddenly in the second session we have seen a very good jump in the stock because suddenly a volume has been generated. So what is the reason? Obviously we know that all IT companies are showing some positive trend because the quarter results of all the IT companies would be declared, that is for March ended quarter. So that's why Subex is also expecting some positive shifts in quarter results, and also most important thing is artificial intelligence platform. Okay, so we know that we have discussed about that, right? So the launch of artificial intelligence platform is also approaching, so that's why on that particular note we are seeing some positive shifts in the stock. Okay, so those are the few reasons why the stock has showing some increment and also deliveries. You can see an average of 40 to 45% deliveries are also being taken on a regular basis. Okay, about Subex, we know what is the specialty of this particular stock because of its consistent results. So consistently it has reported profits, revenue has increased on regular basis, and especially the exploration of new platforms, whether they're related to artificial intelligence or whether it may be related to the dividend which it has provided almost 10% in the previous quarter. So all new changes, new developments, so is making the stock look more attractive. Okay, so these are the technical. So previously we have discussed 42 rupees as the near term resistance, and clearly we discussed that if it crosses that particular level, so definitely again it will start going up, and in the same way it has shooted up today and you can see it is almost positive with 16% and you can see it is at 44.65 rupees level. So next immediate target would be 50 plus. Okay, what is the next immediate target? 50 plus, which was our midterm target. So that is coming very close and it is approaching that particular levels, so which is very important. Okay, so support wise you can take 42, so that is very good support. So if you're trying to invest, if you're trying to have a fresh entry, definitely you can go for the 42 rupees level only for long term. Okay, you can enter there, and also you can see money flow index is also shooting upwards. So from overbought region considerably it has come down and now again it is trying to retrace. Okay, so that was in 1 day chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see the same thing. So a good bullish momentum has been generated, and clearly you can see 44 rupees, 44.5, which is a very crucial resistance for the stock. So closing above that is going to be very important. So currently time is 3:23, more 7 minutes are left. So if it closes above that for 44.5, so definitely in the coming weeks it will continue the bullish trend. So this particular stock, whenever it gives any bullish rally, it tries to consolidate for a certain period of time. Again it goes up, again consolidate, again goes up. So this is a healthy movement. So never a stock should go continuously up, because whenever any stock goes continuously up, so we will also have a panic situation that when we can exit. But whenever it is showing any healthy move, like going up, especially giving a breakout, consolidating, again giving a breakout, so that is where we get a chance to average. So that would be the best strategy. So follow these things. So support wise 42 is very important, and immediate targets would be 50 plus. Okay, so these would be the midterm targets. So further, if you are having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also in Instagram as usual you can clarify your doubts. So until then, take care, bye bye.